The Fluke 700G series precision test gauge is easy to use and operate. First, power the gauge up and turn on the backlight. To zero out a measurement offset, press the 0 button. The gauge has both a digital measurement and an analog measurement bar graph, indicating pressure measured at a percentage of full scale. The gauge constantly records minimum and maximum measurements. To recall the measurements, press the Min-Max button to toggle from minimum to maximum. To configure the gauge for use, press the Config button. Each time you press Config, you get a new configuration option. Press the Enter button at any time to exit the configuration mode. The first configuration setting is pressure measurement units. Press the up and down units to change the measurement units. Press Config again, and the next setting is the battery save timeout setting, the number of minutes the gauge will remain on if no buttons are pressed. To defeat this function, set the timeout to 0 seconds. Press Config again and see the combined battery voltage of the three 1.5 volt AA batteries and the percentage of remaining battery life. Press Config again and view the internal sensor temperature. Press the up-down arrows to toggle from degrees centigrade to degrees Fahrenheit. Press Config again to see the dampening setting. Dampening smooths or averages readings from pulsating pressure sources. Up and down arrows turn dampening on or off. Press Config again to change the reading rate. Up and down arrows can change the reading rate from 10 readings per second to 1 reading every 2 seconds. Press Config again to set a tare value with the up and down arrows, which offsets the measurement by the set value. Tare is often used to zero out the display with a measured pressure value, so you can view changes in pressure from the set value. Press Config again to access the function lock. This allows the user to lock the configuration of the gauge if it's in supervisory mode. To better understand the function of supervisory mode and passwords, see page 8 of the user manual. The Fluke 700 series precision test gauges, best under pressure.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.